So the Ninja Turtles cabinet has came down to $200 at some locations. So check Brickseek and all those related apps to check the local prices in your area for the Ninja Turtles cabinets, because they're normally 400 bucks, right? And I got this one for $200 today. They were marked $349 on the label at the store, but in their system it actually shows up for $200. So the employees were actually surprised. So they had 4 more of these when I left. I'm so excited to put this together. It finally came down to my price point, which was 200 bucks exactly. So cool. I wasn't about to pay 400 bucks for this. You could buy a nice TV or a console for that, which I already have both of those, but you get my point. I still got to put together my $74 Street Fighter. And the Asteroids, honestly, I think I'm going to get rid of it. I don't want to spend the money and time to mod it. It doesn't have all the buttons and everything I want. I have to switch so much stuff out here. The screen is not great. I'm just not crazy about Asteroids and all these old games. So that's going to go soon. By the way, don't mind the noise of the fish tank over here. But yeah, super excited to put this together. I'm not going to do much modding on this or anything like that. I'm thinking about doing a little bit of green glow-in-the-dark tape on the trim. That way at nighttime it'll glow and look cool and all that stuff. But it's pretty much the way I need it to be. It's got a 4-player setup. I could add extra games to it, but I think I'm really going to mod the Street Fighter one. Maybe put a better screen in the Street Fighter. But it's got all the slots and everything for lots of buttons for plenty of games, more modern games and stuff like that, right? So the Street Fighter thing that I got for 74 bucks, I'm gonna mod. I already got a Raspberry Pi and all that stuff sitting in the closet that I never use. This one is mostly gonna be stock. Like I said, I'll do the trim glow in the dark maybe, but pretty much it's just gonna be the way it comes, because Turtles in Time, that's one of my favorite old school brawler games I used to play growing up. So pretty cool, super good deal. 200 bucks. I don't know how much cheaper they're gonna get, especially after the holidays and stuff like that. Maybe they'll go down to 150 or a crazy 100 in some areas, but they're gonna be super hard to find. I think $200 is a solid price point for 4-player controls. Much nicer screen than the old ones, and better speakers, all that good stuff. You've seen the reviews, right? If you're into this, so pretty cool. So I'm gonna have a 2 arcade setup. I'm gonna set up the Street Fighter 2 to mod and everything. Turtles mostly stock. We'll see what they come out with in 2020. I'm hoping they do like a Killer Instinct cabinet or an NBA Jam cabinet with multiplayer and stuff like that. I would get that. But for now, I'm keeping these 2 cabs. I'm getting rid of everything else. I already got rid of I had Space Invaders, and I was like, I don't need this junk. So got rid of Space Invaders. I don't want to take up too much space in here in my little game room with a bunch of arcades. I want to put a lot of games on this one and keep that one for Turtles. So that's it. But yeah, go check out your deals locally. Check Brickseek and the deal finder apps that are on Reddit and all that stuff. They'll let you know. And yeah, looking forward to it. But I'm going to put this together soon, and I'll let you guys know how I like it.